Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here, Central Park, beautiful spring day, and I wanted to just share with you who I am and why I put together the Power Sales Training. My commitment is to you. My commitment is to my clients, and my commitment is to helping people communicate more effectively and to make more sales. And that's what Power Sales Training is all about. That's what I've been doing for the past 22 years. I got started 40 years ago studying about language and communication. And then in 1998, I raised $50 million and bought a company called ProCare from British Petroleum. And overnight, all of a sudden, I had 1,000 employees in 104 locations. We were doing auto repair and tires. It's not important what we were doing. The point is we had 1,000 employees. And I realized at that point in time that we were really not in the auto repair and tire business. We were running a giant call center. It was all about communication. It had nothing to do with tires, right? It had nothing to do with auto repair. We were running a call center and we were in the communication business. And I set about, at that moment in time, I set about trying to figure out how to improve sales, how to improve communication skills when we had 1,000 employees. And think about it, it's a daunting task, but I've done it. Okay, and so I'm thrilled that you're here watching this video. I'm thrilled that you're getting engaged in the Power Sales Training, right? And I'm going to share with you what I've learned over the 40 years, how we improve closing percentages dramatically for clients, and how we improve communication skills. Every Monday and Wednesday, you can find on my website, molloysales.com, you'll find a schedule from when we do the Power Sales Training. So I want you to come in and I'm going to teach you some things that you didn't know before about how to communicate effectively, how to communicate powerfully, how to get in touch with your own personal power. You know, so that's the game for me. I'm certain that everybody here on the planet has unlimited personal power to do what they want to do. All right, and I'm going to show you the tools, actually how to tap into it, how to get it, how to manifest it whenever you want. Believe me, it's all tied to language and communication, so that's the gist of it. I look forward to working with you, and thanks for being here.